welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing our full face makeup, since you have been asking me this one. So I'm gonna show you how we do it, how we do our makeup. It's disclaimer, I am not a pro makeup artist. I just know how, I just know little. I just learned it from YouTube University. So if you are professional makeup artist, feel free to give some of your insights and can comment on what to improve. So if you are new to my channel, this is Wondering Lovely, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're gonna be doing all YSL product today. So we got for our primer, we got the, I don't know how you pronounce this one, Touche or Éclat Blur primer. Oh, where's my camera? So this is their primer. It's really new. So before doing your makeup, you have to make sure that your face is prepped already. You moisturize, you do all your skincare, so you won't be like you're not gonna be like wasting all your products that you put on your face. Our foundation, this is the YSL Luminous Matte Foundation. I am in the shade MW, so make sure that you shake. It's been a while. I haven't been doing my vlog, so we're gonna do our shoot for campaign later, so might as well do this. So with this one, you just have to start with a little bit of your foundation. Don't put a lot. So when you are doing your foundation, you don't drag it, okay? You just have to tap it. So by the way, I am using for my brush, for foundation brush, I am using the BK brush, BK Beauty brush 101. So you just have to start where where you really wanted to cover. So for me, I have a lot, my hyperpigmentation from my acne is here, so focusing that on. But if you just want a very light makeup, you can just do your concealer. You never put foundation on your under eye. You just have to, you only put your concealer and your color corrector. So for concealer, we're gonna be using the All Hours Precise. Finally have it. All Hours Precise concealer. I am in the shade MW2. Hopefully I turn this on okay, because I just like to whisper. I think this is a little dark. I should have just used one size. I think I need to get another one of this one. So for concealer, you just have to put here, 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 and then cover the one that you, this one here. Other one. So this brush is 109, still BK, BK Beauty. Actually, I kind of just like this color, this shade. I'm filming my video. See the number?
You know what it's supposed to be?
What's supposed to be? It's 5. You say 5, right? My husband's testing his internet. So yes, I found it. Isn't this better? Way better than what I have earlier. So back. Let's go back to business. I'm breaking out again. With our blush, we have Make Me Blush. What's the shade of this one? I don't know. What we do is we're gonna try this on this side, and then we'll try this on this side, and let me know which one is your like favorite. So this is like shimmery, like look how pretty. Oh my god, this camera is like insanely like you can really see. I don't even need to use my macro for this. It can really see the detail. Yes, so thank you, baby. Okay. So for the blush, you just have to keep on like, okay, I'm using my, let's use my left hand since it's in my left side. So the way how I put my blush is just right here since I have rounded face. So the placement is very important. Let me see. Okay, that's perfect. Oh my god, it is so, it's beautiful. I love it. Now let's try this shade. So this brush is from Patrick Ta. I love this brush because it's like dual-ended. I don't know guys if you can see it, but here it is. This is also pretty. These colors are really my favorite. So this is the one. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? They're both pretty. Let me see. Oh, this is, yeah, so this is really blurring because my pores, I can't really see it now. Like, I mean, I don't need to like mattify my face with after, you know, because it's I usually put powder. This one, it is really nice. The blush is blushing. Oh my gosh, these are both pretty. So you could also use this on your. I'm just gonna go out like this.
This is the source.
5. So I like to use my blush for my like this. So it's monochrome. So for now we're just gonna use this one. So let's do this color, this shade, the mauve. This here. This is really pretty. Okay, now we're gonna do what else? Oh, forgot I have my eyeshadow brush, but we're just gonna use the MAC eyeshadow. It has the brush, but I don't like to use those. So with this one, we start with the light one. I need to see this. So you just kind of have to like start the outer crest here and build your way. And do the same. So since these are dark shades, we're not gonna do it right now because it's still early. Look, but I'm gonna show you how it looks, how pigmented it is right here. That's the shadow, this one. So they're kind of like orangey, so it's perfect for fall. My nose is getting red because when it's hot, my lights are really hot. My nose gets so red. Let's just do the eyeshadow with this. Okay, so you can also do this. It's pinky, so kind of light, so you just have to like make sure that you are blending it well. Oh, this is really pretty. Before I do my hair, let me show. I still have one more product that I have to show you on how to use this one. So this is actually, what is this? Sometimes eye pencil. Okay, now I know it's eye pencil. It's like kind of like the same as the lip liner, so I get confused. So with this one, this is in the shade, what shade is this? Deconstructed brown. I love brown. It's like so easy to like to use for my like everyday look, because I love like, so the way I do it like this. Oops. Oh wow, it's breezy and it's super smooth. It has this one, so you just gotta just look. See that? Wow, this is the first time to see you like this. This brush comes with a brush like that. It is genius. You see how easy. So the way how you put your eyeliner, you just do like short lines. So and then kind of just like work on that one to blend it and blend it out all together. Oh my, this is so pretty. I love this. Do my hair and I'll be back. I'm back. So let's do a quick recap. Already did my hair. Let's do a quick recap before we end our vlog for today. So for the product that we use, so these are all the product, all the YSL product that we use. We didn't really use this eyeshadow. So for today's video, yes, we have two blushes, the foundation, the concealer, shade MW2, of course the primer, and the eyeliner. So as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, save the video, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And this has been Wondering Lovely. Until next time, bye guys.